guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. I'm so excited that I'm getting to film this video today. I've been wanting to film this since I posted my last thrift haul. Today I'm going to be styling my cargo pants. I have 3 pairs that I'm going to be styling for you guys today, and they kind of range in style. I have a more classic looking pair, I have a white carpenter pant, and then I have kind of a cropped wide leg pair. So if you've been looking to try out this trend, this video will provide you with plenty of outfit inspiration, and let's get right into it. So the first pair that I wanted to style for you guys is my most classic looking pair. They're in a very neutral kind of green tone, and they are a straight leg, but I feel like they're not obnoxiously flared like my other pair. They are more of just a straight leg. And I know a lot of the cargo pant styles have a drawstring at the bottom to go in at your ankle. That is not my preference, but if you like it, then I definitely think that these outfits would work just fine for that kind of silhouette as well. So I'm starting off very simple with this base outfit. If you're new to styling cargo pants or any kind of funky pant, I definitely recommend going simple. You can't go wrong with just a black tank top and tennis shoes. I feel like this is a very trendy and kind of Gen Z way to style this. But if you're wanting to make it more personal to you, I wanted to throw in a couple of layering options. So one option that I think is really cute with cargo pants is throwing on something a little bit girlier. I have this kimono that I've owned forever, and I think it plays really well with the utilitarian vibe of the cargo pants. You could totally keep on a pair of sneakers or Converse, but to style it up a bit more, I'm going to add some black booties. So here's my finished stylized outfit with my kimono and my black booties. I like this a lot better because I feel like when you're styling something as aggressively trendy as cargo pants are right now, if you go too simple on top, I feel like the trend is kind of wearing you instead of you styling the trend in your own way. So I feel like really making the outfit its own thing instead of just highlighting the cargo pants makes it look a lot more personal and stylish. There's nothing wrong with a simple outfit, but that is just my style recommendation for you. I really like the contrast between the floral kimono and the workwear style of these pants. And I think another fun option would be to go with a patterned button down if the kimono is still too girly for you, so let's try that. So here's that same look, just swapped out for a lightweight button down, and I feel like either of these looks are really great to transition into fall. They are lightweight enough to be comfy, but you still get that layered look, which I really, really like. The next outfit that I'm styling with these pants is just a funky graphic t-shirt. I love an all baggy look for just a casual day of running errands or hanging out with family. I think it can look really cool. You definitely could go with a pair of sneakers or the Converse that I had on before, but I kept on the boots because I think that it's kind of a more funky and stylish look. And if I wanted to finish off with an extra layer, then I would throw on my leather blazer. And for the finishing touch, I just threw my hair up in a claw clip because I think when you have an all baggy outfit, it really helps to have your hair up. It looks more intentional and put together and not like you just rolled out of bed. Something else that I think would add a lot to this look, definitely, like I said, having your hair pulled back, but I also think that layering on a lot of jewelry with more of a simple baggy look can really dress it up. All in all, I'm really happy with the way that this outfit looks, and I think that it's a really great option for styling your cargo pants. You can never go wrong with a graphic tee and a leather jacket. I just think it looks really, really cool. For our last outfit with these particular pants, we are going ultra comfy casual. I love to pair my cargos with a comfy crew neck and some athletic looking sneakers. These kinds of pants are very practical to wear on something more outdoorsy, like a walk or a hike, or even just something simple like a day of errands. This look would be perfect. I matched my shoes to my crew neck and my headband as well. If you're somebody who's into cool sneakers, I think that cargo pants are a great opportunity to show them off, especially if you have the kind that go in at your ankle. My very cool shoes are from Walmart. They were $12. Don't look too closely at them because they are absolutely filthy. But altogether, I think that this is a cute, athletic looking outfit, and it's very easy for you to recreate if you want to. The next pair that I'm styling are more of a carpenter pant because they have this cute little loop-de-loop on them. I really, really like this pair. This is probably my favorite to wear right now. And I just think they are so cool. I can't believe I thrifted them. They have no flaws or stains, and I feel like normal brands are selling these types of pants for so expensive right now. And I got these for under $8. I don't remember the actual price, but I know they weren't more expensive than like $8. I feel like the details are hard to see, but it has this kind of weird skinny pocket on one side, has the two normal pockets, and then the loop-de-loop on this side with no other pocket, and I just think these are so cool. So this is the outfit that I'm styling them with. Kind of this monochrome look, but then it adds a bit of color with the pattern on this shirt. And I feel like the pink tones tie in with the pink on my Adidas. I wore this the other day and I felt so cute and stylish. And to top off the look, I'm of course wearing all of my rings and some more gold jewelry to finish it off. Also, a fun detail about this outfit is it is 100% thrifted. My silky shirt that I love with this window pattern, this basic knit top, obviously my pants, and then I was able to score these Adidas for $8 at a swap meet. So I'm really proud of this outfit. I love when I put together a completely secondhand outfit. That is just the coolest. This next look is the same but different. Once I find a base outfit that I like, I kind of just change up my outerwear and just keep re-wearing it. But another fully thrifted outfit, I absolutely adore this jacket. It's one of my favorite pieces in my closet, and I think that it works really, really well with this look. Again, I'm liking these outfits because it's not like the main focus is on the very trendy cargo pant. They just kind of lend themselves really well to the whole outfit, and I really like that. For the last outfit with these pants, I wanted to do something more simple and chic looking, very easy to recreate, and it also gives me the opportunity to show off my platform loafers, which are also thrifted. And I just want to say, if you have a more simple and elegant personal style, I think that a white or off-white pair of cargo pants is a really great way to approach the trend. I think that there are ways to try out current trendy pieces without looking like you're straight out of a mall display window. There's a lot of ways that you can put your own spin on things and make choices that really fit into your personal style. With that being said, let's move on to the final pair of pants. These pants are a perfect example of what I mean by taking a trend and making it your own. These are what got me interested in cargo pants. They're the first pair that I thrifted, and I didn't even really think about the fact that they were a cargo kind of style. I picked them up because I really liked the bright shade of green as well as the wide leg. It was kind of after the fact that I realized that these were kind of fitting in to a cargo pant vibe. But at the thrift store, I seriously see so many different silhouettes that show off some cargo pant details like the pockets and the utilitarian style. So definitely experiment and find which silhouette is right for you. For this outfit, I'm going kind of similar to what I did with the first pair of cargo pants, but you can see that it reads different because of the different shape. These are quite wide leg, whereas the first pair was much more of a straight leg. But I love layering button downs with this kind of outfit, and instead of wearing a casual shoe, dressing it up a bit with a black bootie. I also love this outfit with my chunky like platform combat boots. I think that looks really cool as well. This is an outfit that I wore a ton last fall, and I'm definitely bringing it back this year. We have arrived at our last outfit. Comment down below if you made it this far. I appreciate you so much. Thanks for watching. So for this outfit, this is tried and true. I've worn this many times and I really like it. I just have a very simple white t-shirt, my white tennis shoes, and a denim jacket. I think this makes for a very casual fall outfit. Very wearable, easy to recreate with what you probably have in your closet already. I know I did more outfits with the previous two pairs of pants, but since this is my oldest pair, I've already styled them a lot on my channel. So if you want to see me style these more ways, check out my fall capsule wardrobe and you'll get a lot more outfit inspiration for this style of pants. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to. That would mean so much to me. And I'll see you next time.